At this show, Coachman launched their new Imperial motorhome, which of course is equipped with an Alde heating system. This is Ben Parkin from Coachman Caravans. Ben is the sales director for the company. Ben, all of your vehicles, whether that's caravans or motorhomes, are fitted with Alde heating. Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, definitely. It's our decision to install the Alde system in our products. The Alde system is considered to be one of the more premium heating systems available. Being a waterborne heating system, we work closely with Alde to ensure we optimise what the system can provide for our caravans. We install it with their guidance to make sure it's installed in the correct areas throughout the van. The customer feedback is it provides a more consistent temperature throughout the caravan, and with it being a waterborne system rather than a fan-powered system, there are also some other benefits. It feels a slightly cleaner system in the van and doesn't circulate air around the caravan in the same way that some of the other systems do.
Yeah. Excellent. Thanks very much for your time, Ben.
Not a problem.
It was also the first time that Autosleeper's new M-Star van conversion was seen by the public, which also features Alde heating. This is Spencer Davis, Sales Director at Autosleeper. We're sitting in the award-winning M-Star van conversion, and this vehicle is fitted with Alde heating. Spencer, why did you opt to go down the Alde route for this vehicle?
Well, as part of our development project and looking at specification and on what we wanted to do, we really wanted to deliver a luxury camper van to the market, and we identified that Alde was not involved in any camper van supply, and we thought it was an ideal opportunity for both our development teams to work together on this.
That's great. Thank you very much for your time.
No problem.